What an incredible market. Hey guys, Jonathan Rose. I'm not sure what else I can do. Let's quickly talk relative value trading. Why do we trade relative value? Well, two different lines here, light blue and purple. Let's not even worry about what they are. Think of it like a rubber band. Rubber band pulls, snaps back. Rubber band separates or pulls apart, snaps back. Rubber band separates, it doesn't really snap back. It does a little bit and then goes out, doesn't really snap back until here, and it really snaps back. Rubber band separates a little bit, comes back, it separates, comes back. Not a lot of volatility. End of the year, a little volatility, it separates, it comes back, starts to separate at the beginning of the year. Then that rubber band really separates, and now the volatility hits. Look how violent it gets. Inevitably, it snaps back. Rather than guessing on the direction of a single asset like oil or S&P futures, we look at things relative to one another. We look at things as a rubber band. So in front of you, this is Masters in Trading Own Edge Series tool. I'm looking at the difference between RBOB, gasoline, and oil. That's the purple line. The light blue is the difference between heating oil and RBOB gasoline. Now this tool lets me put on any energy spread under the sun. I can easily change these charts. But what makes this Edge series really special is that everything's just based on P&L. It really simplifies things. So 2 weeks ago, we allowed 20 people to purchase the new Energy Edge. Along with that, we gave them a trade service saying, hey, we'll share a trade with you once per week. Well, this past Friday, here's the trade that was shared with anybody who moved forward with this awesome tool. Right now, we just have it for Thinkorswim. It's a plugin. It's how we're charting. It is a massive upgrade to Thinkorswim charting. Here's the trade idea. Long 1 HO, short 2 RBOB, long 1 CL. It's a butterfly. But if you go through the position, all we're doing, buying HO, selling RB, that gets us long this light blue. At the same time, selling an RB, buying a CL, that gets us short the purple. So the potential, and guys, the potential on a one lot is 8,000 down to negative 3,000, so $11,000. And then on the blue side, it was down to 18-ish, now down 5, so about $13,000 of opportunity on the light blue since Friday. In the coaching room just today, we're talking about our bond trades. Again, we're using Bond Edge. It looks like Chris was able to make $3,800 today. Bond Edge, just like Energy Edge, but for bonds. It looks like earlier, Pablo shared some different ideas using micros. Here are the symbols for you guys. Margin is less than 1,000 per leg. Pablo, thanks for sharing this. Pablo with a pop quiz from this chart, guys. What spread do you like the most? Sharing a new indicator with the coaching students. Pablo celebrating some silver calls that were on the Portfolio Masters Club week ahead. Yesterday, Pablo talking about our HORB trade. That's what the light blue line is on our chart, trading with the community. Being able to ask questions, using powerful tools. What's your edge?